Here's how to send an estimate in Wave Accounting, step by step. Start by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the menu on the left side of the screen, click Sales and Payments, then select Estimates. This opens the area where your saved estimates are listed and where new ones can be created. From there, click Create New Estimate. A new estimate form will open so you can enter the details for this document. Begin by selecting the customer the estimate is for, then add the items you are quoting, along with the pricing for each one. If the estimate includes any other required information, enter that as well before moving on. Take a moment to make sure the customer, item details, and amounts are correct, since those are the main details your customer will see. When the estimate information is in place, click Save and Continue. This saves the draft and brings you to the estimate page, where you can review the finished layout before sending it. If anything looks off at this stage, you can correct it before you approve the draft. Next, click Approve Draft. This changes the estimate from draft status to an approved estimate that can be shared with your customer. After that, click Send Estimate to open the sharing options. Wave gives you a few ways to share the estimate. You can choose Copy Link if you want to send a direct link through your own message or another platform outside of Wave. You can choose Download PDF if you want a file version of the estimate that you can attach and send manually. You can also choose Launch Email if you want to open the email option from within Wave. Pick the method that matches how you want to deliver the estimate. Once you have chosen your preferred option, send the estimate to your customer using that method. If you copied the link, send it through your selected messaging channel. If you downloaded the PDF, attach it where you plan to send it. If you launch the email option, complete the message and send it from there. There is one last status update to handle if you sent the estimate outside of Wave. After sending it by copied link, PDF, or another external method, return to the estimate in Wave and click Mark Estimate as Sent. This updates the estimate status in your account so your records reflect that the customer has already received it. If you sent it through Wave using the email option, the sent status is generally handled through that process. So this manual step is most relevant when the estimate was shared outside the platform. Your estimate is now approved, sent to your customer, and updated in Wave with the correct status.